I look like absolute crap today. It's 4 in the afternoon. I don't know why I look like I just woke up. Good thing is that the before and after of this video is going to be absolutely epic. Hello and welcome back to my channel where I do a bunch of weird things to my hair, to wigs, and thank God, not to anyone else's hair. Ooh. Today's going to be another wig video. I have such a deep devotion and love to wigs because it is the most instantaneous hair change you can get. Shaving your head would take more time than putting on a wig. Today I got a brand new one. It's from PulpRiot Wigs. So many people ask me, where do you buy your wigs from? I mention every single wig brand, always, in all of my videos and my Instagrams and everything. Today it's from PulpRiot Wigs. So if I get a comment of where are my wigs from, I'm going to be really pissed. This time it's blonde. Everyone knows what that means. So today I have this stunner human hair. It's human hair. It's always human hair. It's got these ooh, these waves are cute. Look at how cute these are. Full lace wig. Oh, is it? Oh, that's epic. That means that whatever you part it, you're not going to have wefts anywhere. It's just going to look like scalp. 20 inches and its color is 613, which is the standard for bleach blonde, and which means that it is at the perfect base to be dyed, because that's what we're doing today. We're going to dye it. I'm going to do something that I've never done before. That's what I always try to do, but recently I've been very predictable. Anyways, I've always really liked the coral color. I think it is the gorgeousest color when it comes to a great mix between orange and pink. It is so stunning. And we're going to be trying to do kind of a reverse ombre where we're going from a light coral on top to a dark reddish magenta at the bottom. Look, I did color swatches. This is the coral color that actually looks just a tad bit too pink for me. So I'm going to be mixing it with this lemon yellow color right here. And we're going to be doing this at the bottom. I added this just over here to see if it would go with the coral color, but I think it's just very basic. So at the root, I'm going to be using the Guy Tang My Identity Direct Dye, which means that it doesn't need any peroxide or developer. It could be applied straight from the tube onto the hair. Cosmic Coral, which is the coral color. PulpRiot in Lemon, to kind of add a bit more of that orange back into the coral. Then on the ends, I'm going to be going in once again with the Guy Tang dye in Crimson Spell. I think this is going to be just a tad too dark, so I might dilute it a bit. It's going to be a reverse ombre, so it's going to be lighter on the top, darker at the bottom. The link of this wig is going to be down in the description box below in the event that you want to check it out, as well as any coupon codes, yada yada yada. You guys know the drill. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So I know recently my dyeing has been more on the unpredictable side than it has predictable. However, I think this time around we finally achieved the color that we said we were going to do in the beginning of the video. Because if this isn't the best coral to hot pink transition dye wig video color tutorial ever, then I don't know what is. I am so in love with this look. Oh my god. Oh my god. So I did my makeup to match it. I think that looks freaking cool. If you are out of ideas, right, for your makeup, just think, let's get inspiration from either your outfit or your hair. I'm in love. I am. Can we just talk about this coral though? Like at first I was really scared that it was going to be just a bit too orange, but I literally think it's perfect. Did you see that though? Did you see that? Did you see that? I also think that this look is really not Stella, which is one of the reasons I love it so much, because typically I like to do either like solid colors or darker roots and then like lighter ends. So this is like definitely not me. But I love it so much and I'm so freaking happy that I tried it out. Oh my god. The one issue with side parts is that whenever I have a side part, the hair always presses down on my lashes and makes me look like I've got a crooked eye. I don't. I have a really sexy eye. But this thing is not cooperating. My arts and crafts. I told my mom the other day, like my entire life is just arts and crafts at this point. These were the original swatches. So these were the 3 dyes that I used. These were the batches of coral that I mixed up, and then this is just how I wanted to see kind of how it looked together. I think on camera everything just looks a lot more orange. I'll have to like edit that, make sure, because it's like a very like pink. It's like very pink. I think on camera it does look really orange though. The entire dyeing process is going to be down in the description box below. I sincerely encourage you to try it out because it's such a phenomenal color. You do have to do this on bleached hair, however. This will probably show up even on like a medium brown. Phenomenal wig. Can we just talk about this? Is incredible. It's by Perfect Lace Wigs. It is a full lace wig, so I've got no wefts anywhere, so I can separate it anywhere and it would look absolutely realistic. And the length is just incredible. I love it so much. So I'm going to link this down in the description box below in the event that you want the perfect wig for this sort of a color change, because it is an incredible wig to do any sort of a color transformation on. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go and I will see you in my next video.